welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, I'm Alice and I'm based in Australia. So today I want to talk about Y2K style. So this style is all about bright colors, fun design and mixed with modern and old school vibes. I absolutely love this style. Brands like Juicy Couture and Ed Hardy's are some of my favorite brands. Okay, so in this episode, I will show you how the Y2K style has influenced different areas. And in the second part of the video, I will customize my Juicy Couture bag by repainting it, and also I will make a bracelet of it. It's gonna be fun. Okay, let's go! I'm visiting ACMI for the Sims 25th birthday exhibition, and it's such a fun experience. If you don't know, The Sims is a live simulation game that started in the early 2000s, and it has become so popular all over the world. One of my favorite parts of the exhibition is the Y2K inspired bedroom. It looks just like a teenager's room from the early 2000s. There are CDs, soft rugs, bright lights, and even those big air chairs. Everything that was super popular back then. They also have old school gaming setups where you can play the classic Sims game on vintage computers. The screens are small, the graphics looks really blocky, and the whole experience feels like a trip back in time. It makes me realize how much gaming and technology has changed all over the years. I love how The Sims is not just a game, it's a reflection of pop culture. The way Sims characters dress, decorate their homes, and interact with the world really match the trends of each era. This exhibition is really showing me how fashion, gaming, and pop culture are all connected. It's such a fun experience. What do you guys think? Have you ever played The Sims? Let me know in the comments. Alright, that's all for this part. Let's move on to the next section. Okay, so this is the bag I'm going to customize. The color of this bag is a nice grey blue, which looks quite soft and elegant. But I want to make it more fun and eye-catching by adding some bright and colorful details to the little charm. This will help it stand out and give it a fresh new look. I'm starting with a light blue color to draw the outline. The idea for this pattern comes from one of my own drawings, which has a dreamy and space-like theme. First, I draw a star inside a cycle and fill it with a blue shade that matches the bag. I want it to blend in nicely while still looking special. Inside the star, I choose gold color because it really catches the eye and adds a bit of shine. I also love how gold gives a warm and fancy feel to the design, making it look more interesting. Next, I'm going to add wings to the star, so it looks like it can fly anywhere, just like dreams and creativities have no limits. I'm using gold again because I think it looks nice next to blue. The mix of blue and gold always reminds me of something magical. like the night sky or something old and special. All the colors I'm using are acrylic paints, which are great because they can stay bright and don't fade easily. To make the design pop even more, I'm adding some yellow to make the colors look brighter and more lively. Now for the background, I want to create some contrast so the main design stands out better. I started with a rose pink color, then mixed in some purple to make it look more fun and colorful. These colors always help the charm look more three-dimensional and interesting. I'm using a small brush for the details, making sure everything looks neat and balanced. I really like how the colors mix together and make the design feel more elegant. And here's the final result. I absolutely love it. The mix of cool and warm colors plus the gold details really brings the design to life. I think it makes the bag look more special and unique. What do you think? Now I'm going to make a bracelet using a Juicy Couture Make It Real kit. I love this series because all the materials are high quality and look really fancy. I actually make a bracelet in the previous episode, so if you are interested, I will put the link in the comments section. Today I'm using another DIY kit. The packaging looks like a jewelry box, and inside it comes with charms and decorative gems. According to the instructions, we can make up to 8 different styles of bracelet. I'm going to choose this one because it looks super cute and I really like the colors. I will also try making the other styles later, so make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out. Alright, let's get started. This bracelet is called Just Charming Bracelet. It's really simple. We just need to grab all the materials and attach the charms to the bracelet. For mine, I picked the iconic juicy rainbow, a bee, and a cherry. Once they are attached, just adjust them to your ideal position to make sure everything looks balanced. Now I'm hanging it onto my lovely bag and adjusting the final position so each charm is clearly visible. The colors and shapes are also very iconic to the Juicy Couture style, which makes them perfect to match with the bag. Okay, so now I'm going to pack all my stuff into my bag. First, my watercolor set. This is my customized sketchbook. Now I'm adding my watercolor brush pen and my Sakura ink pen for finer details. Last but not least, my Daydreams Juicy Couture wallet. Yeah! So that's it. Hope you guys like it. Have a nice day and I will see you next week. Bye!